Good evening, Professor Smith Pearson, Nolan Johnson here, and this here is my protein modeling structure and function project. Today I'll be showing and explaining the melanocortin-1 receptor, and that is a protein which I was assigned, and the mutation that I will be showing with this protein is arginine number 67 being replaced by cysteine. The normal function of MC1R, which is melanocortin-1 receptor, is to regulate normal skin pigmentation, and in other words, this means which type of melanin is produced by melanocytes in hair and skin. That's what the MC1R covers and controls. It's normally found on the surface of melanocytes, and these are found in the epidermis. So basically your skin color, animal skin color, everything, all the color is determined by the MC1R. And boom, we're back. Hopefully you all noticed this blue bead. This is the mutation. Arginine number 67 has been replaced by cysteine. Okay, and now the protein, since the mutation has occurred, the protein has become less effective. It can no longer effectively bind the melanocyte stimulating hormone. This results in the protein to change the pigment's pathway and not being able to normally function. In the original side chain, the functional group present was the amino group, consisting of NH2, meaning it was hydrophilic and polar. It was positively charged, and compared to the other 19 standard amino acids, it was large, very large. But since the mutation has occurred, now the main functional group present is the soft hydro. It is polar as well, meaning it attracts other polar molecules. And it's uncharged, meaning it's neutral. And comparing cysteine to the other 19 standard amino acids, it's clear that cysteine is one of the smaller amino acids. So the main differences between the original side chain and the mutated one is the size difference. The arginine number 67 was way larger compared to cysteine. And the charge as well has changed from neutral to positive. So when this occurs, the wrong amount of melanin will be produced, if any at all. Some of the limitations of my model are that it doesn't really show what occurs. It doesn't show anything that happens. I tried to show by just mixing two videos together that the difference between arginine number 67 and cysteine, but it wasn't as effective as it could have been. And another limitation is that it doesn't contain a cell membrane. The cell membrane is usually right here and encompasses all the yellow beads and white beads. So that row right here will be the cell membrane holding it together. Another limitation is that it doesn't have as many beads as it should to represent the actual protein. This is supposed to be arginine 67. Well, it's mutated now, so it's cysteine, but it was originally supposed to be arginine number 67, but it's clearly not. This is not the 67th bead in the line, so I believe that's another limitation as well. And yeah, this is Nolan Johnson. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.